everything changes.
Hey, good afternoon everybody. Welcome into the RockstarFlipper YouTube channel, and this video is going to be a little bit more toned down and serious. Today's April 2nd, 2019. It's Tuesday. You guys saw the title, and this story is pretty serious, coming to us from PayPal. I'll link the PayPal and the e-commerce bites, ecom bites websites and links to these stories down below. As always, you guys know where to find all the links. My description box, click show more and you'll see everything. PayPal, if you guys didn't know, in the past, when you had to issue a refund, whether it was for an item that you were actually legitimately refunding that ended up with the customer, or if you had a canceled order. So for example, the buyer bought something from you, and while you were asleep, they messaged you and said, hey, cancel this order, don't send it. And you're like, sure, here's your $30 back. Well, PayPal charges 30 cents to process a fee, and they charge you 2.9%. And so previously, they would, let's say it was a $100 item, so you would be charged $2.90 plus 30 cents for a total of $3.20. If you had to refund or refund the order, you would lose the 30 cents. You would get $99.70 back. They would give you the $2.90, which is the bigger part of the transaction, of course. And now PayPal's announced as of May 7th that they're going to keep all of the fee, the 100%, $3.20, the 2.9%, and the 30 cents, 100% of the fee. And so this is huge because of, one, canceled orders, which you can't control if somebody cancels orders, or two, because of this free returns and increase in returns, which I really haven't seen, so I'm not too concerned with that, but it is gonna hurt a little bit on the returns that I do get. But the canceled orders, I don't get a lot of those either, maybe one a month, two a month at most, but that's also going to cost some pennies here and there. But it's a huge, huge money grab by PayPal, because listen, if they're saving $1, $2, $3 here, that's gonna add up to millions and millions and hundreds of millions of dollars for them, keeping 100% of those fees. So it's pretty terrifying, pretty scary. Now, the one thing I'm gonna say before I go any further in this video, and maybe somebody can confirm, it appears that all of this leaked out last night, which was April 1st, 2019. I really wish companies would choose not to release big updates like this on April Fools. April 1, 2019, of course, April Fools. Some people were saying it released this morning, but I seen something dated April 1st. So maybe somebody watching this video can clarify and comment down below, was this released on April 1st, or did it come out today, April 2nd? If it was yesterday, now I'm a little concerned that they're pulling some April Fool's joke, and that's not cool. It's not funny to do that kind of joke, and it's now April 2nd, let us in on the joke. If it released this morning, then it's legit. It could be legit either way. I kind of feel like this story is 100% on the up and up, and that this is actually happening. It's been reported by so many legitimate websites that I think this is the real deal, guys. And I want to know how you feel. Obviously this is bad. This is not good for sellers in any way, shape, form, or fashion. There's no upside to this. You know, when eBay does free returns and offers us a discount on our fees and better search and better sales, well, there's, you know, some upside to having to pay for some extra return labels. When PayPal says they're going to keep the transaction fee because a customer just decided they're randomly going to cancel an order, or because you had to refund them on an order that they said, I just changed my mind, or I bought the wrong color or something, there's no upside for the seller. It's all downside, and it's bad. It's going to cost. How much is it going to cost? Maybe $5, maybe 10, maybe 20 bucks a month. Depends on your volume. If you're doing a solid amount of volume, you're selling 10, 15 items a day, you know, 300, 400 items a month. You end up having 4, 5, 6 orders, 7 orders canceled, or, you know, non-refunded, or whatever the case might be, and it ended up costing you 20, 25, 30 bucks every single month. You're talking about $200, $300, $400 a year, so could add up a little bit. Anyways, I'll leave the story with you guys. As always, it's your opinions that I want to hear. It's your comments I want to see. So please use that box. Very, very important that you use that comment box, and let us all know your experience, your opinions, you know, whatever you have to say on the matter. This one is bad, guys. I'm really not happy to have to report this one. Please don't shoot the messenger, but thank you as always for watching. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel over there so you don't miss any videos, and give this video a thumbs up. Even though the story is bad, give me a thumbs up for bringing it to you, not a thumbs up for PayPal. The other thing I want to tell you guys, everyone knows you can join our private Facebook group where we talk more in depth about these stories. We talk more in depth about selling and buying and making money. It is $49 a year if you pay for the whole year up front. No monthly payments, but I decided there's some people that had asked me if they could pay me monthly, and I'll do it. It's going to be $9 a month if you want to join and pay monthly. I'll get you set up. Just email me at rockstarflipper@gmail.com. I'll get you all set up with either the full yearly, where you save a bunch of money, it's less than half the price, or if you just want to go month to month, that's fine as well. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you are a part of that private Rockstar Flipper reseller group, we'll be live tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern, so if you hurry up and get to me ASAP, it's about 6:30 now. If you get to me ASAP, I'll get you in for tonight's live Q&A inside of the private group where we're going to be answering all your questions one-on-one with me and Sydney. She's not here right now, but she will be. And we'll be answering all those questions, so make sure you get involved and get inside. Email me right away, rockstarflipper@gmail.com. Let me know what you think about PayPal right on down there. And I'll talk to you guys a little bit later tonight or tomorrow if I don't see you inside the private group. Night, guys.